Is your pool pump making noise? A whirring sound like the pump is trying to start but can't, may be the sign of a blockage. During springtime, there can be a lot of debris floating around in the air. Even with the basket in place, the impeller may still clog since very small particles can pass through it. To clean the pump, turn off the main power. Unscrew the hair and lint pot strainer basket lid anti-clockwise and remove. Remove the hair and lint pot strainer basket by lifting upwards from its housing. Empty any trapped debris from the basket. Hose out with water if necessary. Check the hair and lint pot strainer basket for cracks. Replace the strainer basket in the pump if okay. Replace the lid and ensure that it seals on the large rubber O-ring. Firm hand tightness only is required. Check if impeller is rotating, and no debris is caught in the motor. To remove any debris, lodge a flathead screwdriver in the back motor through the fan cowl and twist. Reassemble and turn the pump back on. If issues persist, we recommend scheduling a service with your local Sunlover heating office. Contact your nearest office if you are still unsure.